Hi everyone, this is your Jee Sifu at Chi Nature and Tina Dragon Taoism channel. Today we're talking about the gold and silver magic tokens. So these things you can buy from Amazon, you can buy from AliExpress. It's very typical classical Jaws paper, and they don't work if you just buy them. Okay, just buy it, and you just got the paper. It's not going to do anything. You burn a bunch. It's not going to do anything for you. But then, if you are learning under our sect, you can learn how to make these actually work. So, how does it work, and what does it do? Well, these are magic tokens, which means you have to do magic to talk to the god, and then the god have to make an agreement with you. Okay, so the agreement is like the god agree that the one page of gold equals to whatever, and then one page of silver is equals to whatever meaning. In our lineage, we use these like this. One page of gold is like a token for the god to execute a task, to do something for you. Okay? For example, to protect, to cleanse, to seal, and so on. Okay? So one page of this is to do one thing. One page of silver is not to do, but I want the God to look at, to empower, to energize, like put their power on top, like a coating put on top, and also to look at. Okay, so two things that I want the God to do. So, for example, let's say you go to work and then you come back home and you have lots of dirty, unclean, unwanted energies over you. Okay, then you will grab these gold pages, and then you connect to the God, and then you mark the area, which is yourself, and then you burn. So the intention of why you're doing it is the message that tells the God what you want them to do, right? So you know why you're doing it. The God will know what to do. After you burn, it's like you submit the ticket to the God. The God understand and will do the job for you. Bam, so easy. So if someone like gave you a gift or something, and it's like, oh, I don't want their energy on it, right? So you take the gold pages and burn, just like that. So whenever we need the help from the god, instead of like actually doing the magic with the incantation, the hand sign, and everything, it's like a lot of complicated, sophisticated steps. You can take these pages and just use it as is, like just rip it off like a check, and that's why it's kind of like money, because it's like prepaid, preloaded, pre-approved. So you can just take it and use it, right? Instead of like, oh, let me write a fu, and then you got to go to the altar, do a ceremony, check fu, and then all that stuff, right? It takes a lot of time, and it's not practical for everyday use. These are practical. You can also preload a bunch and then give it to people who are not even learning under the lineage. For example, if you have a daughter, you have a son, you have a wife or whatever relative, and they are like going somewhere and they need help, they give you a bunch. Whenever you need help, you rip a page and you burn, right? It's very simple. So it's just like a super convenient way to make magic accessible for everyone, anywhere and everywhere. This is called the magic token. If you want to learn and be able to use them, you can go to our website, teenadragon.com, get initiated or get ordained, and you can start learning and using these magic tokens. See you in the next one.